Sure will be nice not to have to kill anyone else up north, though, huh?
3's enough for me. I'm gonna make a walking stick. You want one?
You killed 3?
No, don't you try to hold me close. That door is closed now. Go find yourself a girl who smells just like a rose. I'm on my own now. I don't need you, you don't need me. I can fight my own battles, and I won't be a fool for you. I won't be a fool no more. So walk on out that door. Don't pretend you haven't done it before. I don't need your touch, so release me from your clutch.
Well, I'm not made out of sugar.